to the house to just explode mud. I'm not a nighttime dude. I in the morning, never twice a day. I 3 times. Chase and I are plugging away on the 54 here, and I was kind of getting ahead of y'all. Most of what's underneath the truck is done until Chase finishes what he's doing up here, and I started pulling the seat out because we're gonna go ahead and dynamite the whole inside. There's some spots in the floor that are just open to underneath the truck. We're gonna fix that so there's no more fumes coming in. So look what Chase, what you do?
I've been trying to figure it. I drove this
what,
truck
stutter
for a while.
little? Mama did
Just stutter a little bit. That's like, I mean, my wife would never ride in this thing because it smelled like gas all the time. Show them why. Show them why it smells like gas.
Show them why. Show them why. We're gonna look right here underneath the shifter. And that's underneath the truck. It's dark in here, y'all can't see, but there's a too much hole cut out underneath the shifter there, and we need to seal that up a little bit.
High quality work was done on this vehicle.
High quality H2O.
High quality craftsmanship, workmanship. I'll show them that bed.
No, I can't show y'all that.
Back there.
Can't show you that. We're ashamed of that.
Yeah.
We're
I don't know
ashamed.
why we're ashamed of it, because we didn't do that crap.
I know we didn't, but now we're stuck with the conundrum, do we fix it?
It works.
So we're gonna keep plugging away. I'm gonna get all the interior pulled out of the truck, and then Chase is gonna come in here and dynamite everything. While we have the interior out, I'm gonna use that opportunity to cut the floor. I'm gonna take that opportunity to cut the floor for the drive shaft clearance piece too, since we'll be able to see what I'm cutting and what I'm not, you know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? But Project 54 is coming along. We're gonna keep plugging away on it. Why are you making all that racket, Carter?
That's what I do.
What you working on?
A little this.
No. We need definitive answers.
Definitive. Oh, we can just put some kind of bracing in this thing. So we got most of this up here done. Now we're just gonna work our way back.
And what are you working back doing?
What do you mean?
What are you doing?
You don't know.
What are you
Frame
working on?
stiffening.
There, that was the answer I'm looking
We're gonna
for.
put some X's and some O's and play tic-tac-toe and all that good stuff.
X's and O's, boom, boom, boom. You still at it?
Yeah, buddy. Just trying to make sure all these wires are covered. I think that looks a lot better than it did.
Yeah, it looks better. Especially once you put them together and stuff, you know? And
Yeah.
yeah, it looks good.
And then this, trying to decide, I needed some light so I could get this. I'm gonna have to unscrew some stuff and then get back into that rat's nest back there.
Hell yeah.
All right, what you got going on?
Well, I just finished getting this door roughly lined up, and this one's not as nice fitting as the other one. I think this side of the truck has been through some damage at some point in its life, but I've got it fitting pretty dang good as far as the opening. The body lines line up pretty decent. So now that that's done, and it's as good as we can get it without doing major surgery, really, I'm gonna start on these bear claw latches. Check these out. I don't even know what brand they are. Treat?
Whatever that is.
Treat? Trick? Oh, that's Trick, spelled all fancy like.
Is it?
Must be from France.
I don't know what that is.
Trick. But it's just a bear claw latch assembly for these older trucks. And it comes with this plate that goes inside the door and gives you a better door latch. But there's some surgery that has to be done on the door first. So right now I've been reading the instructions, trying to figure out where I need to cut, what I need to do, and I'm just gonna start marking this thing off and cutting it up and hoping this all works out.
I am taking all this carpet out that they glued in and this padding that was glued in, and we're gonna put some sound deadening material all in here. Because this thing's pretty loud, it stinks, it's noisy, and I don't
There's
know.
a bunch of holes in the firewall we need to
Oh,
plug.
is there a bunch?
Quite a few.
Okay.
And then we need to get a boot for this shifter
Yes.
so we can seal it off, because that will definitely contribute to the funk.
The exhaust smell?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and just making it quieter in here. And we'll probably get some type of, replace this old CD player with something newer, Bluetooth, and It's got some 6x9s back here, but man, there's plenty of room to put something back here.
And we're gonna put mufflers on the truck.
Yes, because it's so loud.
Yeah.
So loud. But right now I've been vacuuming it out. I don't know why I'm vacuuming, because I'm fixing to have to get like a drill and try to get some of this fuzzy off, if you can see. But all right, that's what I'm gonna do. Just go to town, start cleaning it up. I'm just sitting here, I was thinking to myself, why do I like doing this stuff that nobody sees?
Why is that?
I have no idea. I was just thinking to myself that whole thing. I was just like, I was in deep thought, and then this blanket rose up, and there's a camera in my face. And so, I don't know, I just thought I'd share that with y'all. I don't know why I enjoy doing this stuff, but I do. What'd you make?
45.
Are these braces of some sort? He's got it all tore down.
You want me? Because Carter wants to be. Carter, what do these things do?
I don't know.
What do you call this, Carter?
He didn't know what he's doing.
He does know what he's doing.
I don't know what I'm doing.
He's making some cross braces for this frame, just to make it more rigid. And they're not really cross braces; they're more like lateral braces. And then they'll be connected together by a trans cross member that bolts in between all of them. So it's
The frame stiffer.
Yeah, the whole goal is to make the frame stiffer. Now he's got something to say.
Yeah. I'm trying to think of it. I was just gonna think of it.
Now, where do they go?
I'm hoping they go where.
I'll show you where they go.
Show me where they go.
Oh, he's gonna.
Oh,
show
here
you
we go,
that.
here we go, here we go, here we go.
Well, they don't go right here, but
Well, why is that where it's got a line?
because they're long.
Yeah,
Oh, it's gonna go down.
Yeah, I gotta cut them.
You're not gonna just stick them on top of the frame like that?
Yeah, I should. Will the cap fit?
No.
Cap
Probably
won't
not.
fit.
No, probably not.
It's gonna be even with this one. It won't be in like that.
Yeah. But it's gonna be the same spot and everything, and then
But it's gonna be close to your header there.
yeah,
I'm gonna have to,
man, that'd be cool. That'd actually look cool if you did like that.
Like that.
Yeah.
Well, I like some retro stuff there, boy.
I like it.
That boy put graphics in his metalwork. And as for me,
Yep. What do you got going on?
bear claw latch on passenger door is installed. It's all got to come back apart so we can paint everything. When we do, we'll grease all of this assembly and make sure everything's good and tight. But watch,
What?
no slammeroni.
And it feels like it's not going to go anywhere.
Yeah. So, like I said, it needs to be greased. The little thing that this rod hits is wanting to hang up. But I mean,
That's
no
pretty
slammer-
dang nice, dude. That's a lot nicer than it was.
Yeah, dude, it was bad. So now I'm on to this other door, but the bear claw latches made a big difference on it. Just getting the doors fit in the opening was the hardest part of this, especially that driver's door. What you doing?
Trying to seal every nook and cranny.
Every crook and nanny?
Yes, that's what I'm doing. And I ran out of this kill mat, so we've got some other stuff that'll be here today in the mail. So I can finish out this job today, or probably tomorrow, because I'm not going to get it till probably after 2. And so, yeah, that's what's going on.
After much work, I think I've got everything buttoned up on the old 54 here. But now is the most concerning part, is after all that wiring, redoing, and everything like that, will it crank again? So let's see if the Holly comes on. Hear the fuel pump. Oh, the air system's trying to do its thing. Let me run that through the prime again. My fuel pumps were probably dry. That's the story of it right there. Let me chase down some shit and see what I've done messed up. So I think Carter figured it out. Our distributor was unplugged. So we're gonna go try this again. And cycle. And go. Oh yeah, baby. Fired right up. Fired right up. Well, that was an easy fix. I'm gonna cycle this power steering a little bit and make sure I don't have any leaks. Check my transmission lines for leaks. And we gotta do some work on this throttle cable and stuff. It's all junky-ish too. Somebody did a crappy job on it, but it's running again.